Naysha Nicole if you're new, and if you're not new, hey boo. On my channel, I give you guys story times, lifestyle tips, and I put anything else I want to put on my channel. In today's video, I'm doing an unboxing of a Beauty Creations large mystery box, and this is what it looks like. So originally I went to the Beauty Creations website for the Murillo twins collaboration. So I have been watching the Murillo twins, Brie and Britt, for like a minute now. They actually ended up doing a collab with Beauty Creations with a makeup palette, lip gloss, lipstick, eyeshadow, lashes, the whole nine, you guys. And so I was really excited to get their PR box and their products, but unfortunately they sold out like hella quick, you guys. Like, I remember literally finishing up with my client and hooking my client up with some lashes, and 7 minutes after the time their products were launched with Beauty Creations, they were sold out. So I just ended up browsing the website. I've never shopped with Beauty Creations, but because of the Murillo twins, I kind of wanted to see what else that Beauty Creations had. And I seen they had a small mystery box and a large mystery box, and I ended up getting the large mystery box, which I'm about to show you guys in this video, so continue watching. Alright you guys, so this is what the box looks like. It says fragile on it, and I'm going to open it now. Okay you guys, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like, you guys. It says Merry Christmas and ho ho ho. There's some hoes in this house, there's some hoes. Okay, so let's see what they gave me. Kind of like, you know, Christmas, right? You're a little kid on Christmas opening some stuff you bought for yourself. So the first product is, okay, so they gave me a little pouch, you know. Let's see what's in it. Okay, a beauty blender, then a primer stick. It's like a very little one, sample one it looks like. And then it is, oh, a setting spray. I needed a new setting spray. That's like a fun travel size, so I like that. And then a hydrating primer. Yep, a hydrating primer. So those are all little travel size, fun size that you could like bring in your bag, literally. I can toss this in my bag with the pouch and everything, among other things, so that's pretty cool. Okay girl, gotta use some lashes. So you guys, I am a lash artist, so I probably won't be using these anytime soon. I really like individual eyelash extensions. I feel like they're just quick and easy, on the go kind of thing. But these are like cute. These remind me of a subtle cat eye kind of look, and they're fluffy but kind of textured, which I really like. I honestly don't like a cat eye style on me, but these remind me of like yeah, kind of like a dense cat eye. I like my lashes longer in the middle, kind of like a doll eye or an open eye, but these are cute. And if I one day do a giveaway, you guys, somebody's gonna be giving these, because I'm just not gonna waste it, you know. The next one, okay, these are some more lashes. What? I didn't know they had this. Silk magnetic lashes. These are a little smaller. I feel like these remind me of some what are those called that lash artists don't like? Clusters, you guys. These remind me of some clusters. I'm gonna open these and see how they look at the box. Okay, yeah. These are a closer look. They're magnetic lashes, and they do remind me of clusters. So honestly, like I said before, I don't wear falsies, but I don't think I'm gonna wear these. These for sure I'm not gonna wear. No offense. I just feel, you know, as a lash artist, if I don't have my individual eyelashes on, I kind of don't want to wear lashes at all. But I've tried magnetic lashes before, with where you just put the liquid on and then you are supposed to just pop the magnetic lashes on. Unfortunately for me, they don't work out for me, and I don't know if it's because of the brand that I picked out or what, but that was the first and only time that I have ever used magnetic lashes before. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those because those look like they're cut up into 2 pieces, which reminds me of clusters. And if you're a lash artist, you know that you've had a horror story with some clusters, with someone coming in with some clusters, and you know you've taken a long fucking time to get those off. So I don't think I'm gonna use those, but I don't know. I'll figure something out to do with those. All right, now I got some hand sanitizer. Boom. And it's lemon. The next product, you guys, is another beauty blender. Okay, so normally what I use my beauty blenders for is for like either contouring. I use them for my concealer under my under eye or on my nose. I use like a makeup brush for my foundation, but this is a closer look, and it's a good beauty blender. Y'all ever use a cheap ass beauty blender and you're kind of like, what the fuck? You can tell this is a good beauty blender. But what is this? Is this a soap to clean it? The ultimate makeup sponge and brush cleaner. Bro, I needed this. Oh my goodness. Yes, I needed a soap to clean both my brushes and these beauty blenders. So that's gonna come in handy. So basically they gave me two beauty blenders, okay? So my concealer ain't matching up and it ain't looking cute. You tell me, Naysha, pull out your beauty blender, clear out some of your blemishes, whatever. So like these are what they look like, a pink one. And this one, honestly, I think I like this one a lot because this one is more of an angled beauty blender, so then it can get all in between, like right there. And when you bake, girl, this is gonna come in handy. All right, next one. Oh, shut up. Shut the fuck up. Yo, I needed some brushes. Okay, period. What? Came in Clutch Beauty Creations. Okay, first of all, let me show you. And it's hologram. I love that. It reminds me of purple. Purple's my favorite color. Yo, this is lit. Oh. These brushes are hella cute. And they're a lot. Look. Period. So they look purple and blue, like a teal color, and it's like a holographic or something. I know what I'm trying to say. And they look like they're all brushes for like everything you need, whether it's a foundation, you need a brush for that, concealer, baking, some eyeshadow brushes are in here. So let me show y'all a couple. Yo, these are cute. And you know what's so crazy, you guys? I have these certain brushes that I always go back and buy. You know that one favorite brush that you found and works for your skin and like puts the makeup on, you know, applies your makeup really well. I use the same brushes. Anytime I feel like the brush is RIP, I have to go get the same brush. So I'm glad I have the opportunity to try new brushes and see if I even like these, because I definitely will go back on the website and stock up on some more brushes. So this is more of the brushes, right? Yo, they hooked me up. They hooked your girl up with a lot of brushes and with a pouch to put them in. All right, you guys. What else is in here? Another brush. Fluffy blender. This is what it looks like in the package. And honestly, you guys, their brushes are super creative. Like, I love how they switch up the style and the color of every brush. This one is super soft, and I'm super excited to, you know, try out new looks on myself. I always go for a lashes, red lip, foundation, highlight. You know, very not so natural, but kind of natural. You know, I ain't gonna be trying to do too much. But I used to always do like a crazy eyeshadow look, or, you know, pop out with something different, like different colors on me or whatever back in the day. So getting all these brushes kind of makes me want to go back to my old ways, which brings me to, you guys, I got a freaking palette, and this is what it looks like. Cali Chic. It looks like some summer vibes, giving me summer freaking vibes. So they have like shades of Venice, Malibu, Marina, Boardwalk, Beach Babe, Sunset, Laguna. The fuck? Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, it's like shades that are named after the cities in California. But let me see. You guys, okay, can you see that? Look, the camera's not doing it justice. This is pop out. It's a pop out shade. I would use that for a highlight. And that's on period. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, so this is the last product that was in my box, and this is what this one looks like. Okay, so this palette is called Dare to Be Bright, and it's basically another palette. So I got two palettes, right? This is what it looks like. There's some glitter. There's a bright neon orange. I probably won't rock that unless I'm going to EDC. So I'll for sure be using like this color, that color, this one. The other ones I feel like are too matte. I feel like there's not too much pigmentation to the other colors. So yeah, you guys, that was about 12 to 15 products. I want to say just 12. I'm going to use basically all of the products I got sent besides the clusters that I showed you guys, but all the other products I do see myself using those. Will I recommend the large mystery box? I would say yes and no, because yes, if you're just not super picky and you want to have some fun with it and you just want to, you know, surprise yourself, girl, it's Christmas and January, whatever, then yeah, get the mystery box. Some of these products are good quality, like some of the eyeshadows came out pretty pigmented on me when I tried them on, and I didn't expect to get a whole bunch of brushes and brushes that are cute and fluffy and things that I really needed, like the beauty blender for my concealer and the soap to go with it so I can clean all my brushes and clean my beauty blender. So yeah, they came in clutch with that. So yeah, you guys, I would probably recommend the Beauty Creations large mystery box if you're not as picky and you just want to have fun and be surprised. You have an open mind and a, you know, personality that's not going to be picky or try to send anything back. But yeah, shout out to the Murillo twins. I don't know if I'm saying your last name correctly. It can't be that hard, but I do be messing up words up sometimes. I for sure am gonna go back on the website in the future and grab some things that I did see that I didn't get in my mystery box. And I will be getting the PR box from the Murillo twins as well in the later future, because you know I gotta represent my brown girls, you know what I mean? So yeah, you guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you guys like videos like this where I do some unboxing of some mystery boxes or just unboxing in general and hauls, do comment down below, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so that you know every time that I post a new video so you don't miss out, boo. Alright, you guys, I'll check you guys out in the next video. Bye.